Hi and welcome to session 2. Today let us continue practicing awareness of thoughts and feelings. A key principle is to experience and observe without trying to change, analyze, or suppress anything. Many people are unfortunately a bit uncomfortable about what might come up in the mind. But you don't have to be scared or embarrassed about anything that comes up in the mind. Allow your mind to be free. No matter what the thoughts or feelings, let it happen and observe. You don't have to act on thoughts and feelings, but within your own mind, always be free, be aware. And this awareness and acceptance itself will help you beat stress. So in today's session, let the thoughts and feelings come, experience them, and be aware of what is happening in the mind. If you're sitting down comfortably, let us begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Make a sighing sound as you breathe out, letting go of any tension. It's almost like letting go of a heavy weight that you've been carrying. Breathing in deeply and exhaling, making a sighing sound as you breathe out. A few more breaths like that. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and notice and experience the contact between body and chair. Moving your attention to the breath, allowing the body to breathe naturally, and experiencing the rising and falling of the abdomen. Preparing now to experience your feelings, turn your attention to your whole body. Feelings are experienced in mind and body, so experiencing the sensations in your body will help you experience your feelings more powerfully. So go ahead and mentally scan the body from head to toe and notice and experience how it feels. Notice and experience your emotions now. What do you feel like? You may use words to describe the feelings, but the experience of the feeling is beyond words. So see if you can let go of descriptions and experience the emotions, the feelings directly, mind and body. Don't resist any feelings. Don't analyze them. Just experience them. Moving your attention now to your thoughts. Thoughts are words or images, memories or fantasies. So notice them as you did yesterday, like words on a movie screen. Not getting swept away by the thoughts, just noticing. moving your attention back to the breath. Noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Take a few moments to notice how you feel, observing your body, your breath, thoughts and feelings. With each session, you're becoming more aware of the thoughts and feelings, the mental programs that govern your responses to life and hence determine your destiny. This awareness will not only help you beat stress, but it will give you mastery of the mind. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 3.